To sign up for our mail forwarding services, the link at the top of our page, and on the bottom of every page there is a large green Sign Up Today button. If you click on that link, it will take you to the application form, which will enable you to fill out all your details. Please make sure that you provide us with your most up-to-date telephone number, as if there's a problem with your application, we will need to contact you. Equally, if we could have your mobile phone number, and we always communicate with people mostly via email, so if we could have your email address, and for money laundering regulations we are required to actually keep details of the person that's signing up, which is why we require your date of birth so we can confirm your identity. We also have fields for Twitter and LinkedIn. These are not compulsory, these are just if you'd like to connect at any point. If you can then provide us with all your contact details. Anything with an asterisk is required. And if your billing address is the same as your contact address, just click the buttons and it will automatically transfer it straight into it. If you are a limited company or plan on setting up a limited company, if you select the limited company button, it should turn green, and then underneath you will get the appropriate form. So if you just complete out your company name with a brief description of your company, and then you can select which mailing services you require. You can choose from registered office, director's service address and mail forwarding. Your mail can be picked up from our office, or perhaps you might want it forwarded to an address in the UK. You can choose how you want your mail to be forwarded, either by being scanned or post. And then we will ask the forwarding address that you want to send your mail to. So if you want to use the address that you've typed in before, you can just click the button and it will automatically import it straight in to those fields. If you are a director of the company, again, you can tick the button and it will automatically transfer all the information into the director's fields. Likewise, if you want your mail to be sent overseas, it will ask you how you want your mail to be forwarded, which forwarding address you want to use, and what directors there are of the company. If you just want to choose one of the services that we offer, you can choose the fourth button as you want them individually. So you can select from a registered office, so you can pick up your mail from our offices or have them forwarded. If you choose the registered office option, then we will also ask what trading address you will be using for your business. So the trading address is for your customers and your suppliers. Your registered office address is for Companies House and HMRC. So if you're going to be using the address that you used before, again you can import directly from the previous fields. And you can also choose if you wish to use the director's service address. Once you've selected your choices, you'll be taken to the payment page, which will list the services that you've selected and the total cost. You can then advise us how you heard about our services, and also if you wanted to sign up to our newsletters. You will need to confirm that you've read and understood our terms and conditions before you proceed, and then you can pay by credit card or debit card, or by Go Cardless via bank transfer. Once you've paid for your services, you'll be able to access the online account. This is the screen that you'll first see, with a message to ask you to upload your ID documents. You can upload your ID into the Files and Documents tab, where you can click on the Upload Documents. It will then ask you what the file is for, so it would be proof of address or proof of identity. choose your file and upload. Once you've uploaded all the necessary identification, you can then click on the blue Apply for Approval button. Once you click that, we will be notified that we need to check your ID. Once that has been checked, we will then be able to give you approval to use our address.